Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today we're going to talk about 3 long meter rock guitar licks. They're in the intermediate till advanced level, but I want to show you also, or give you explanations, where do they come from which technical background, in order that you know how you can, even if you're not on that level already, that you can start working on stuff, and that you know that certain exercises are in fact leading to somewhere, in order that then at the end of the day you can play all the entire fretboard and you start getting more free, and that's what we're going to talk about. But first I'm going to show you how they sound, and then we proceed step by step. It's already over. They come as fast as a lightning, and then it's already over. And the first advice is, many guitar players want to play fast, want to play over the entire fretboard, but they forget that most of the time you're doing melodic stuff, and you know, all this flashy stuff that just passes by so fast, you know, and there's a lot of work behind it. So also work on the basic, on your tone, on your vibrators, all really important. But now let's check out how the whole stuff is played. The backing track is in F minor, so we're playing in the F minor pentatonic, or just in F minor. And the first lick, we have the idea that we're doing an F minor 7 arpeggio in a long meter style, which is really simple to play because it's this here. That's F minor 7. We always have 3, so 1, 4, 3, 6, 3, 6, 5, 8, and then here it's finished. It's really simple to play. It looks way wilder than it is to play. And then we're now in this position. And then we move for we have the orientation on the 2 main minor pentatonic positions, 1 and 4, okay? 1 and 4. So we start in the 1, move up with the long meter arpeggio. Then we slide in position 4. And now we want to proceed from position 4 up to position 1. We do it really simple. Really simple. We just start here, and then we're already up. It looks way wilder than it in fact is. And now we pass the entire fretboard just by going from position 1 to position 4 and then to position 1. The only hard approach, of course, is the speed, but I've selected backing track. I produced it for you guys, which is not too fast, but already a bit demanding, that you can really work out. It's played in 60 notes. 1, 2, 3. As I said, it always passes so fast, and there's so much work behind it. Oh, I forgot. And you can make it sound more interesting when you play the arpeggio with palm mute technique. And from here on, you don't do palm muting, okay? Now let's do a second lick. We're starting on position 1. But we want to have this cool thing here. We want to have this here. We want to do this really simple run with the F minor blues scale. And that one has the big advantage, it really comes really handy and resolves really nicely. So we're starting here, so we make the connection and make it really simple. We just start from down here, and from here on we go into the run, which is here. So we do chromatic between the 4th and the 5th, and also here. So we have. It's really simple to play, and yeah, and then probably you make something additional. So we jump here from position 1 in position 2 in the higher position, and then we want to have a resolution. We do this here. This one is a standard lick here, and this one here is basically comes from this here. This won't be part of the 3rd lick. We have the F minor arpeggio here. And we're just doing the arpeggio down with a 7. And you can do it with economy picking, downstroke, up, downstroke, up, down, up. Then it comes more handy. So let's do this one here. So this one is more complicated, but it's not really hard when you just pick parts from each other and then 1, 2. Let's see. Looks really cool, and is, as I said, that's why it's intermediate till advanced. It's not too hard to play, I must say. Still, it's quite fast, but the run is a standard run, so it's not too hard. The last one is a bit more tricky. Here we're using now economy picking on an arpeggio. We're doing this here. We're doing an F minor arpeggio. So we have the F minor, take it from here, F minor arpeggio here. So 8, 6, 5, 6, 4, 8. And we're doing economy picking. Down, 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 up, pull up. See, economy picking. Okay, and now we want to again connect with the lowest position. We're just doing. We just made our pitch and we're starting here. We're starting with the hammer on. So that's the opening phrase. And now we're doing the same thing again as before. We're making the long meter minor 7 arpeggio on the F minor 7, but now here from position 4. That's really simple. It's again, we have 8, 11, always with 3, 8, 11, 10, 13, 10, 13, 13 to 16, and then we slide it here. Yeah, let's do that one. 1, 2. Yo, these were the 3 licks. Now how to use them. I'm personally not really a lick player. I really must admit this. I don't like playing licks. Somehow I like to play out of the intuition, and then sometimes it comes this way, out of the situation, how intense you want to have it. But you can take stuff like that, even if you're an intuitive player as I am, you can take stuff like that and just build up kind of a system how you start seeing the fretboard in a different way, you know. Not only being stuck on the pentatonic positions, but this opens up a lot of possibilities how you can start to manage. You know, you can take as an example the first party. You can take this as an opening thing to get into. You know, you can take all this opening first. You know, you can take just different parts, and this opens up a whole variety of possibilities to sound different. And then you can take this and add it to regular licks, and then you're gonna sound way cooler. These were the 3 long meter rock guitar licks. I hope you enjoyed them and I hope you understood the idea behind these licks. As already said, I'm not a I'm not a fan of lick playing. I'm more a fan of being able to play out of the guts, out of the moment, what a song or a situation requires. And therefore you need to have kind of a repertoire together of stuff. And also these long meter licks, they help you to break, you know, this pattern thinking. Most players think in patterns on the fretboard, but the best is just to see it as a whole thing, you know. And these long meter things, they help you to see the fretboard as a whole thing. Yeah. If you want to download the tabs of the licks which I just played on this cool backing track to practice this, please join the HPCrazy Guitar Community, become a premium member to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. You can download it there, but even if you don't want to download it, you support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing. You will also find technical exercises. There's a course there, Building Up Speed for rock guitar players, where you learn to break these patterns, you know, and start seeing the fretboard as a whole thing. You'll probably also want to check out that one. If you love what me and Dr. Pink are doing, please share the information to the world that this academy exists, and subscribe to my channel and come back for more. See you guys.